If you're a coffee aficionado, nothing beats the hands-on experience of using a hand-crank coffee grinder. Today, we're diving into the world of this industrial model that promises to deliver the freshest brew. Picture this: the satisfying resistance as you turn the crank, the aroma of freshly ground beans filling the air. This grinder features a robust design, perfect for those who crave a sturdy, reliable tool. Whether you're prepping for your morning cup or an intense coffee session with friends, this industrial hand crank grinder ensures a consistent grind every time. Plus, it's an eco-friendly choice. So, ditch the electric. Get grinding the old-school way.